Hello, I'm Anmol. You're watching Odisha Post Live, and these are today's headlines.
Thousands of devotees pulled the chariots of sibling deities Lord Jagannath, Devi Subhadra, and Lord Balabhadra on the Bahuda Yatra or Return Car Festival, which began in Puri on Monday. Though the pulling of chariots was slated to start at 4 pm, it began ahead of the schedule amid chants of Jai Jagannath and beating of cymbals. A low pressure area has formed over the northwest adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal, extending up to 7.6 kilometers above sea level and tilting southwestwards. The IMD expects a fresh low pressure area to form by July 19 in the same region. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea off the South Odisha coast and northwest adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal during this period. Seasoned diplomat Vikram Misri on Monday assumed charge as India's Foreign Secretary, succeeding Mr. Vinay Mohan Quatra. 1989 batch officer of the Indian Foreign Service, Mr. Misri has the unique distinction of serving as private secretary to three prime ministers, Mr. Inder Kumar Gujral, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and Mr. Narendra Modi. Four nominated members of the BJP in the Rajya Sabha, Rakesh Sinha, Ram Shakal, Sonal Mansingh, and Mahesh Jethmalani have completed their term, reducing the BJP's strength in the House to 86. This brings the total for the BJP-led NDA coalition to 101 members, below the majority mark of 113 in the 245-member House. The Supreme Court on Monday dismissed Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar's plea to quash a case registered by CBI against him in an alleged disproportionate assets case. A bench of Justices Bela M. Trivedi and S.C. Sharma said it was not inclined to interfere with the Karnataka High Court. The Supreme Court on Monday agreed to consider a submission for setting up a constitution bench to hear pleas challenging the validity of passage of laws like the Aadhaar Act as money bills allegedly to bypass the Rajya Sabha. A bench comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra was urged by senior advocate Kapil Sibal that the pleadings are complete and the petitions needed to be listed for hearing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday congratulated KP Sharma Oli on his appointment as Prime Minister of Nepal and said he looked forward to working closely with him to further strengthen the friendship between the two countries. Oli was sworn in for the fourth time to lead a new coalition government that faces the daunting challenge of providing political stability in the Himalayan nation. The Pakistan government will ban jailed former Prime Minister Imran Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party for its alleged involvement in anti-state activities. It was announced on Monday. Information Minister Ataullah Tarar announced that the federal government has decided to ban the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, alleging that the former ruling party was involved in anti-state activities, sources reported. Spain beat England by 2-1 to lift its fourth European football title as England lose its second consecutive Euro finals. Spain is the king of European football for a record fourth time. For England, it is another agonizing near miss in the team's decades-long tale of underachievement.
Carlos Alcaraz defeated Novak Djokovic by 6-2, 6-2, 7-6 in the Wimbledon's men's final Sunday to collect his fourth Grand Slam title at the age of 21. It was a rematch of last year's championship match on the grass of the All England club, which Alcaraz won in 5 sets. That's all for today's headlines. Stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.